he said
Alright, guys.
he's not playing.
Here's our rematch for points for all
Yeah.
the.
What are your plans for Yeast Lobster?
What are your plans for the coronavirus?
All right, let's move down, I guess.
All right, sounds good. Good luck, guys.
4-player lobby one. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, I'll contest mid berries.
Going through rat.
Fuck, they on the middle. All right, I'm up, Mace.
Got him. He's on last. Let's go, cats up.
I'll go mid.
Cool. I'm gonna attack-
I
I'm gonna
think
attack
they're
them.
gonna.
They're gonna bury.
Yeah, so I'm gonna contest the middle berries.
He's dead. They didn't go bury. Surprisingly.
We can actually do berries, I think.
Alright, I'll guard bottom gates. Oh, I'm down. Fuck.
Okay, I'll get up.
I'm dead. I'm on 2. What the fuck was that? I'm last 2. Just get up, get up. Nice.
Okay, I'm up, Mace.
Okay, we have 2 up. Hanging out at the top. Going bottom left. watching
Cheese.
bottom- cheese.
Do berries.
I'll go with
I
speed.
guess. Yeah.
Oh god.
Alright, we need 4. Shit, I should. Okay, they went speed.
Fuck, I'm down.
Shit. Fuck, I'm down. We wiped.
We have 3 left.
One. Throw the berry. Oh boy.
I'm getting up.
Yeah.
Somehow on escort.
Oh.
Just having that berry. Just like literally it was played.
Just get up, get up.
Alright, I'm up. I'm up.
Stop.
Nice.
Alright, I'll contest middles.
I just realized that we actually got East this game, or West this game.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're all West players, so.
Fuck.
Middle berries are uncontested.
Lobster saw that.
Got him. He's on 2.
Okay, I'm
Sorry,
up.
sorry.
Cheese, you can do berries.
We have 2.
I'm down. Profile, you're the only one now.
Coming.
Oh fuck. He was right behind me. Anyway.
Yeah, that's okay. Got me.
Oh
One, two.
shit! I did not mean.
No, it wasn't your fault.
No, I just killed whoever was up.
Oh, that's a terrible place to be, dude.
We still got the left gate. If you guys wanna try to get up.
Where is he? He's in the half. Nah,
He's
on
on
last
last.
right now. Good job.
Alright, I'm getting up.
Good.
I'm up.
Good
Got
job,
one.
Benkit. Great job, Benkit.
Ah, fuck, I'm down. I messed up.
What the fuck, dude? Just walked into that.
Man, it's like a whole different thing. Playing against Peanut and in a microwave. Like, I mean, he's pretty good against Mill, but drone hunting, Peanut is something else.
Yeah.
Like, it's like you feel relaxed when you're a drone, but with Peanut, you're fighting for your life.
Oh shit.
Got it.
Nice. I'm up.
Go up to top.
I didn't get a lot of middle berries in.
Got me. I'm dead. I'm on. I'm on last.
Nice kill.
He's on last.
Oh, traded. I'm down.
Nice.
Nice.
Damn, dude, that's so good. That was like pretty even,
Mm.
which is kind